Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. I got a really simple, easy project for you. And this is for those people who have alarms in their house like I do. I've been in this house over 10 years and the battery has finally died in my alarm. Typically these batteries should be changed every 3 to 5 years, but honestly I totally forgot about it till the trouble sign came up on the alarm and the alarm company called me and said, hey, there's something wrong. And this is the replacement battery right here, 12 volt, 5 amp hours. Got this off Amazon for like $40. Now, your house may be different, but typically your alarm system should be in with your electrical panel or within the same area. So now we're down at the fuse panel. It's kind of a mess. But this is where my alarm is stored. And you can see the battery right there. So you're not dealing with household power, so you don't have to worry about getting electrocuted here. This is the new battery. Now when we go upstairs, the warning code should be off. See if we hit trouble. No trouble codes. Everything is fixed. Well, that was quick and dirty. It took 5 minutes of my time. And remember, if your wife can change batteries in her dildo, you can change batteries in your alarm. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.